Hello everyone! This showed up. I'm super excited by the title of the video. You know, this is the Simon Says Stamp February 2018 card kit. I've seen some sneak peeks and then I've looked at the supply list and I couldn't resist getting up early so I could quickly film this unboxing video before I hop in the shower and go about my day. So, oh my gosh, you get so much in this kit. Holy wow. Okay, so this is a colorful Crafty Life card kit, and oh my, this one's gonna sell out insanely fast. You get a ton of stuff. This is crazy. Okay, first we have the stamp set. This is the Crafty Friends stamp set. Oh, love. Crafter's gonna craft. Hugs enclosed. New stamps equals love. Yep. You make everything colorful. Handmade by someone super crafty named, and then a line. That's cute. Sending you a handcrafted hello from so very far away. Thanks. I'd rather be crafting. Hello, crafty friend. Yep. The set's gonna sell out quickly too. I can just see it. All of the little images. This is such a fun set. I love it. So we've got that. You get a water brush. This is, what brand is this? Not like it really matters. Not sure, but it's a detail one, which I really like. I end up using my detail water brushes so much to the point where I will end up fraying the ends. So I'm glad to have a new one. I like the size of the barrel of this too. This is like bigger than my, oh yeah, this is my little Tim Holtz one. And like, this will hold more water. Love. Perfect. Get one of those. You also get some Daniel Smith watercolors. I've shown these in other videos. It's a little dot chart, so it was liquid watercolor. They just squeeze it onto the watercolor paper, let it dry, and then when you want to go use it, obviously you would fill your water brush and you just touch it to the watercolor and you can paint with it. So Daniel Smith watercolors are really nice, really high quality. They are fabulous. And yeah, that's all you need to do to, you know, reactivate them and watercolor with them. And you can use the water brush, or you can use, you know, a paintbrush dipped in water. And just even little dots like this, for us stampers, you're gonna get a lot of mileage out of one of these cards. I have yet to use up any of the little dots that I have, and I have like the actual, you know, dot charts and whatnot, plus other ones that Simon sent in previous kits. I like these colors. They're pretty. And obviously they go with a pattern paper, which I will get to in a second. These are fun. So it does say what colors there are. So there's Minnesota Pipestone Genuine, Serpentine Genuine, Quinacridone Gold, Brown Iron Oxide, Mayan Road, and Cascade Green. So it's just really, really pretty colors. So we've got those. Then we have, this must be new, Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue, Super Tacky PVA Craft Glue with extra fine precision tip. Ooh, I am excited to try this. 60 mil, that's a good size too. I am definitely excited to try this out. Interesting. Love, I always love new adhesive to play with. So we got that. I'll get to that because I'll have to open that. There are some absolutely fabulous Studio Katia sequin, or well, embellishments. These are the Cupid's Kiss crystals, and they're beautiful. So beautiful. There's clear and pink, like pink clear, and then 2 different shades of pink in a ton of different sizes. You get a full pack of those. Oh, again, beautiful. Then we have some really cool Prima Crafty Wood Flourish embellishment pieces. Oh, they're cameras. Cameras, a little dress form. Neat. These are fun. Obviously, they'll go with like the whole idea of like being crafty and stuff. They're so light. That's so fun. So you get a pack of those. There are 2 full embossing folders in here. There are the Matrix Texture Fade and Gridlock Texture Fade. So yeah, lovely. Absolutely lovely. So yeah, you get 2 of them. Really cool. I love like the patterns on these. These are really neat. So you get those. And then there is a pair of scissors. Twiggy curved blade scissors. Compact carry with them. Ooh, these I actually probably want to put with my, I keep a little container that I keep like felt, some die cut felt and thread and whatnot in, because I'm still working on little ornaments and different things from Christmas, because you know, that's probably where I'm gonna put these scissors, because if I can actually get them open, I'm having issues here. You need scissors to open the scissors. Okay. How cool is that? That's so cool. Oh, and they lock too. You just have to press it. You pull it back and locks it, or you press it forward and that unlocks it. So yeah. Suitable for simple work. So that's just cutting strings, paper tags, not suitable for heavy duty work. Well, I wouldn't use these for like really like constant use, just because, you know, it'd bug your hand. But these are great. How cool. So you get those. So yeah, pair of scissors. And then some gorgeous Simon envelopes. There are metallic orange peel, metallic bronze, and mint. I love their metallic envelopes. I love all of Simon's envelopes. I think they're so pretty, and I just love these colors. You get those. And then we have the pattern paper, which is the Echo Parks I'd Rather Be Crafting paper pad. And of course the floral is the first one I see and I love. So yeah, goes with the Primo wood embellishments. This kit is extremely well thought out, and these papers are so, so pretty. Oh, I love the colors so much. This is such a fun kit. Cork. Oh my goodness, how fun. And then last but certainly not least is some Simon cardstock. So we have slate, banana, burnt orange, Audrey blue, and Simon's white cardstock. Holy, this kit is, like I said, this kit is packed. I'm super excited about this. So yeah, really exciting. As always, I will have a link below the video to my blog post. I will have a link to the kit subscription page, because this kit, you can choose one of 2 things. You can do the monthly subscription and it's a little bit cheaper, or you can just buy just the kit. Yeah, and I always link to that because it's all explained on Simon's site rather than me like trying to list everything. So you can do one or the other. And then the stamp set and different items are available individually as well. I link to all of that in the description box below, as well as on my blog, so y'all can check it out. There's going to be a ton of samples from the Simon design team, etc. I plan on getting things made up ASAP. I'm really excited. This is just so much fun. So, like I said, check out the description box below, head on over to my blog, all that info will be there. I will be back very soon with more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next one.